Let's start building our application. What are we going to build? We are going to build this application. This is the demo of application we are going to build. We have these 4 components, and this is our component that this is our app that we started from scratch, and we want the final result to be this application. Okay, we have this main app.js file. This is our app component. In here, this app component is this component with this black border, and inside that component, that main component, we have these 3 components: this blue, green, and red. These 4 green items are actually just one component, but 4 of them. Okay, let's start building our first application. First, let's create folder where we are going to keep all our components. Inside src folder, create another folder. Let's call it components. Okay, inside this folder components, let's create new file and create our first component. Let's call it components. Practice in React is that name of component start with a capital letter. Okay, let's call it item list.js. Okay, this item list.js is actually this blue border component. We want to make this blue border component and put this 4 same components inside this blue border component. Okay, this component item list is going to be functional component. First, we need to import React library from React. Okay, as you remember, functional components, there are 2 ways to write functional components. We will write functional component this way: item list using arrow functions. Okay, and inside we need to return something. This is JSX. We will return for now just div, some div. Okay, with text item list component. Okay, and we need to export this component, so we type export default, and name of component name is item list. Okay, save it, and in the main component app.js file we need to import this item list component. We import by typing import item list from, and place where is our component item list is stored. It is stored inside this components folder, and name of that component. Okay, also we need to write that component somewhere. We write the component inside this return statement. We write it like this: item list, and like this. Okay, let's save it and see what we got. This is our application. It shows that we have some error. What this error means? Well, as you can see, it says parsing error, adjusted JSX elements must be wrapped in an enclosing tag. What does this mean? Well, this means that if you have 2 or more elements inside return statement, they must be wrapped inside one element. So to to fix this error, you need to wrap these two elements inside one element. Okay, let's wrap it inside div. As you can see, these two elements are now wrapped inside this div. Let's save it, and let's see, here it is. Let's inspect our code now. For inspecting code, press right click on screen. You can click this inspect, or you can press Ctrl Shift I if you're on Windows. Okay, press this inspect, and in this window you have many tabs. Click console and this window will open. As you can see, we don't have any messages, so we do not have any errors. Okay, in this lesson we created our first React component called item list component. We will make a little break here, and in next video we will start learning about something called props. Okay, until then, see you.